This 15-minute meditation for self-love is brought to you by Mind Hacks TV. Please subscribe for more meditations like this. To prepare for this 15-minute meditation for self-love, please find a place where you can have your head supported and feel relaxed and uninterrupted during this time. Let's take 3 deep breaths for 2 seconds in and 4 seconds out, and 2 seconds in and 4 seconds out, and 2 seconds in and 4 seconds out. Simply listen or follow along saying the statements out loud and repeat after me. Barriers down, barriers down, all levels, layers, and lifetimes, barriers down. I call forward all my resistances, barriers, and protection mechanisms. I say yes to them, and I fully release them from my body, mind, and spirit. All the oaths, vows, loyalties, and commitments I've made to never allowing myself to be loved for who I am, I destroy and uncreate them all now. All the oaths, vows, loyalties, commitments, and contracts to everything that I have hired to ensure I never live as who I truly want to be. I destroy and uncreate them all, and I return them from whence they came, never to return to me, my body, or my reality ever again. All the contracts, oaths, vows, loyalties, and commitments I made to hiding who I truly am, so I never upset anyone. I uncreate and destroy them all now. I forgive myself for believing there must be something wrong with me. All the lies I've bought and sold that I am not lovable, I destroy and uncreate them all now. I forgive myself for believing that I am not lovable. I forgive everyone who ever made me believe that I am not lovable. All the contracts, oaths, vows, loyalties, and commitments I've made conscious or unconscious, spoken or unspoken, to ensure I always remain unlovable. I destroy and uncreate them all now from every level, layer, and lifetime. all the lies I've bought and sold that I have to make myself unlovable, otherwise I'll get hurt. I destroy and uncreate them all now. All the lies I've bought and sold that I need to be someone else in order to be lovable, I destroy and uncreate them all now. All the judgments, projections, points of views, conclusions, exclusions, expectations, and separations I have about how I should be in order to be loved, I destroy and uncreate them all now. All the lies I've bought and sold that I am not enough if I am my true self, I destroy and uncreate them all now. I forgive myself for believing I'm not good enough as I am. I am not good enough. I am not good enough. I am not good enough. And everything that comes up with that, I destroy and uncreate it all from my body, mind, and spirit. I forgive everyone who ever made me believe that I am not good enough. I give everyone permission to forgive me if I ever made them feel like they weren't good enough. I forgive myself for believing I'm not safe being my true, unique self. I forgive myself for believing there must be something wrong with me. I forgive myself for believing I have to be someone else in order to be loved and accepted. I forgive myself for believing that if I actually be myself, all my friends and family will leave me. I forgive myself for believing if I focus on being someone else, I can avoid the pain I really feel. I forgive myself for believing anything my parents, teachers, or friends said about me not being good enough. I give everyone permission to forgive me if I ever made them feel that they were not lovable just as they are. I give myself permission to fully receive myself as I am, even though I'm afraid I won't recognize who I am without these layers of protection. I call forward my inner child and I say, I see you, I acknowledge you, I honor you. You are lovable. You are worthy. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Without these patterns, I give myself permission to let this all go and to choose to love myself greater than anyone ever has before. Without these patterns of fear, I can safely live my life without the belief that I am wrong for being who I am. I love and accept myself being fully me, even though I'm afraid I'll be rejected or laughed at. Without these patterns of anger, I can safely live my life without being afraid to be my quirky, funny, spontaneous self. I give love and gratitude to myself for how brilliant I am to have discovered ways to seek love and connection. I love and accept myself, letting this all go, even though I'm afraid of who I will be when I do. I love and accept myself, letting this all go, even though I'm afraid if I'm my true self, no one will love me. I love and accept myself, letting this all go, even though I'm afraid I need to be someone else in order to be loved, praised, accepted, and celebrated. I love and accept myself. I love and accept myself. I love and accept myself. And anything that comes up from that, I destroy and uncreate it all, and I fully release it from my body, mind, and spirit. I choose to feel worthy being me, even when others don't like it. I choose to love and accept myself, even when I'm not sure how. I choose to love and forgive myself, even when I think I can't. Without these patterns, I am free to love and accept myself. Without these patterns, I am free to forgive myself. Without these patterns, I am free to feel completely worthy of being my true self. What energy, space, and consciousness can me and my body be to fully embrace my true self with total ease and love? And anything getting in the way of that, I destroy and uncreate it all now. And I ask that this be left on automatic. I call forward my true self, and I say, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And when you're ready, wiggle your toes and your fingers and open your eyes. And if you'd like to continue healing all of the pieces of you, download my free self-healing guidebook in the description of this video. Thank you for subscribing.